Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hello everyone, Yuvika here.
Hi all, myself Harshita.
Hi everybody, I'm Sanvi.
Hi everyone, Ashwarya this side.
Hello everyone, Anvita here.
And we, the students of MA today, are going to talk about the importance of
Learning under the open sky.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
I think learning under the open sky is better than learning from book. I believe practical experiments help us understand better.
But Anvita, you do understand जो practical experiments हम real life में करते हैं, they come from bookish theories.
Let's be for real. What do you remember from your previous classes? Studies have shown that whatever you see with your own eyes and do with your own hands helps us to remember the concepts better.
I agree, but we cannot ignore bookish knowledge. It's extremely important for us. It helps us build in concept and also in academic understanding.
Well guys, मुझे लगता है कि बुकिश नॉलेज हमें फाउंडेशनल थ्योरी एंड रूल्स देती है एंड व्हाइल दे डू सीम एक्सट्रीमली बोरिंग, वो इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं एंड दूसरी तरफ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स अलाउ करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को उन आइडियाज को अप्लाई करने के लिए इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. टुगेदर दे ब्रिज द गैप बिटवीन नोइंग व्हाट एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई.
For real though, I think you're onto something.
And you know guys, I've heard that आजकल with the change of all senior school books due to NEP, हमारे education system में practical knowledge भी inculcate हो गया है.
True guys. You know, science books have included so many experiments with explanations that really makes it so interesting to learn.
I totally agree with you, Harshita. हमारी न्यू सोशल साइंस की बुक्स में हमें बहुत सारी रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन समझाती है.
Similarly, our maths books contain much of riddles and activities and questions are framed in a story form, जो हमें हेल्प करता है मेथड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने में and improved our thinking skills.
अरे डिड यू गाइज नो कि नाउडेज हमारे लैंग्वेज सब्जेक्ट्स में भी प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन आ गया है यार. शॉकिंग ना, बट इट्स हैपनिंग थ्रू एक्टिविटीज, डिबेट्स, स्किट्स, पोएट्री एंड मच मोर. इससे क्रिएटिव स्किल्स डेवलप होते हैं एंड सबका लर्निंग में इंटरेस्ट भी बढ़ता है. नो कैप दो, I love this new method of learning guys, don't you?
I know, right? We literally went to Kanatal 2-3 days back. And this was the exact result. The activities were so interesting and fun for the curious minds. I literally loved the trip and would always look forward to other EdTerra trips. What was the best activity for you, Anvita?
I found hiking best and like oh my god Harshita, the view was absolutely splendid. What about you Sanvi?
Oh my god guys, tell me about it. I loved the hydro rocket activity.
Personally, my favorite was the sky gazing through the telescope. It was amazing watching the craters, observing planets like Jupiter and Venus and many more things.
Exactly guys, हमने इतनी सारी फन ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज की, सबने टीम वर्क, कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट एंड क्विक थिंकिंग सीखी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, we learned so many new things which were just mentioned by Harshita, Yuvika, Sanvi and Anvita. These activities truly highlight how practical application of bookish knowledge plays a crucial role in real life. Abhi towards the end, I must say, this could never have been possible without our great teachers and mentors. It is due to their easygoing and friendly vibe that this trip turned out to be productive. This trip is the memory of a lifetime and will hold a special place in all of our hearts forever, all because of the EdTerra team.
So, does the Kanatal journey end here?
Guys, this does not have to be the end here. There are still many more adventures lying for us ahead.
Well, if you guys are done having a moment, I know a place that serves the best food in the city.
This has to be the bestest trip so far.
Signing off, Team Ma today.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.